You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice, he's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees when you're sleeping, and he knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. In this video I want to show you one of the classics of Christmas songs ever played by, I don't know, so many famous artists, starting from Frank Sinatra, for example, till you. No worries about this thing here, this capo. I just use this to fit the song to my voice, to the range I'm comfortable with. I will show you the whole thing without capo, so you can, if it's too low or too high for you, put a capo on your guitar and strum along and sing with your family. This is always an issue. This is why I show most of my Christmas tutorials here with a capo, or at least tell about the opportunity of using a capo, because often people sing together when singing Christmas songs, and this makes it easier to fit like the situation. So just keep that in mind. This is a very helpful tool. So we start. I play it with nice open chords like G and C and so on. This is pretty much fun. So we start out with G, middle finger 3rd fret, E string, index finger 2nd fret, A string, and ring finger 3rd fret, E string. Play all 6 strings. Before we go into a strumming pattern, we check out the chords. So stay till the very end. And then to the C chord, which you can play with the ring finger 3rd fret, A string, middle finger 2nd fret, D string, index finger 1st fret, B string. So it's and to the C, and back to the G, again to the C, and then we have our little turnaround going on here, which is something like this, going from G, Santa, E minor to A minor to D to G. Okay, our turnaround is G, then going to E minor, index finger stays in the 2nd fret of the A string, and middle finger goes to 2nd fret of the D string, all 6 strings, G. So Santa, E minor to A minor, which you play with the middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string, and then to the D chord, which is index finger 2nd fret G string, ring finger 3rd fret, B string, middle finger 2nd fret, E string, and only play 4 strings. 2, and back to the G again. So this is our kind of like verse section. Let's play it slow. To G, and then to the C, back to the G, again to the C, now our turnaround. G to E minor to A minor to D to G, and again G. From the top, another verse. G, C, G, 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 G to the C, 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 G, E minor to A minor to D to G. Really break it down. Push pause on this video. Make sure you know how to do a G chord, how to know a C chord, and where the fingers really need to go. This is our verse section. The chorus kind of section is, we have D minor, middle finger 2nd fret G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, index finger 1st fret E string, and we play just as with the D major, we play 4 strings. then to the G, to the C, D minor, G and C, and then to E minor, to A major and D major, E minor, A major, D. So E minor again, you've heard that already. Then A major, I like to play it like this. Index finger is kind of like barring the D and G string, and the middle finger, second fret B string. You play 5 strings, A, D, G, B, and open E. If that's too hard for you, just push down 2 strings, index finger, second fret, D string, middle finger, second fret, G string. That's also fine. So E minor to D and E minor, D. So the whole chorus part, D minor, G, C. Let it ring. D minor, G and C. E minor part and A and D, and E minor, A and B. G to the verse again, C, 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 G, 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 and C, 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 and the turnaround. G to E minor to A minor to D to G. Then we repeat again the verse. Let's go back again to the chorus. D minor, G and C, and D minor, G and C, E minor, A and D, then E minor, A and D, G, 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 and the verse. C, 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 G, 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 and C, 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 G to E minor to A minor to D to G. Okay, those are the chord progressions. Let's go to the strumming pattern. It's down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, from the top. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. And in this turnaround section we have down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And again, our down, down, up, up, down. And then the verse. Feel free to alter the strumming pattern, of course. And the chorus is again down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So then we go back to the verse again. Just make sure when we have fast chord progressions, I use just down, down, up, down, down, up. And when we have stay on a chord for longer, I have down, down, up, down, up. If this is too low for you, the key of, for example, the version of Frank Sinatra, which is in actually in B flat, when you put a capo on the 3rd fret and then play this G chord here, it sounds a B flat. This is the easiest version how to alter those chords instead of playing bar chords. This sounds better. Still too low for you, go up.